In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bitwarden. This is a straightforward process, and by the end, you'll have this powerful password manager ready to go on your device. First, let's start by opening your App Store. If you're using an Android device, you'll want to open the Google Play Store. For those of you on an iPhone or iPad, you'll be heading to the App Store. This is where we will find the Bitwarden app. It's important to have the right App Store open because each platform has its unique set of apps and settings. Once you're in your App Store, you'll need to search for Bitwarden. To do this, tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Then type in Bitwarden Password Manager. Make sure to spell it correctly to ensure the search results are accurate. Searching directly in the App Store helps you find the most up-to-date version of the app. Now you'll see a list of search results. Select the official Bitwarden app from these results. It's crucial to ensure you're choosing the correct one. Make sure it is published by Bitwarden Inc. This is important because selecting the right developer guarantees you're getting the authentic app, which is safe and secure to use. After selecting the official app, it's time to install it. If you're on an Android device, tap Install. For iOS users, tap Get. Once you do this, the download process will begin. Just wait patiently for the download to finish. This step is essential because it ensures the app is fully installed and ready to use on your device. You will see a confirmation appear once the installation is complete. Now that the app is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Once it launches, you will have the option to create a new account or log in if you already have one. Creating an account is simple and free for basic use, which is perfect for getting started with Bitwarden. This app works seamlessly across phones, tablets, browsers, and desktops, making it incredibly versatile. As you proceed, always remember to ensure that the developer is Bitwarden Inc. This reassures you that you're using the legitimate app and helps you avoid downloading any fake or malicious versions. Using the official app is vital to protect your personal information and keep your passwords secure. With that ready, let me share a quick insight. Bitwarden is a fantastic tool because it centralizes all your passwords and sensitive information in one secure place. This saves you time and effort, especially when you have multiple accounts to manage. At this point, you should have Bitwarden installed and ready to use on your mobile device. You can now enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your passwords are being managed safely and efficiently. So there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and set up Bitwarden on your mobile device. This straightforward process ensures that you have a reliable password manager at your fingertips. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you find Bitwarden as helpful as I do.